So after a couple of frustrating months searching around for an anvil, I finally was able to get the one I wanted. This is a 133-pound Hay Budden anvil, and it was made, I believe, in 1921. So I couldn't be happier with this purchase, and let me quickly walk you through the steps that it took to get it mounted to the stump and get everything the way you see it today. All right, there she is finished up. Let me show you this thing in a little bit more detail. So there's the top. You can see the edges are in pretty good shape. And then I used this logging chain and a tie-down system here to secure it to the stump. Did that on both sides. So these tool holders here I found on eBay, very convenient just to have everything real close by like that, so I thought that was worth it. So here's the other side of the top, and you can see this side's been used a lot more, but it's still in great condition in my opinion. And here's the other side of the anvil, and the same kind of tie down mechanism here for it. So overall, I'm real happy with the way this thing turned out. I think it looks great. Very rustic looking, which is definitely the look I was going after. And I got no more excuses, so it's time to start forging some metal and making some knives. So if you like this video, you like the content of the channel, hit that subscribe button. And hey, thanks for watching.